Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. It's currently Saturday, the 9th of November. So markets aren't open, but instead we're going to do a little day in the life. So I'll take you through what I do essentially on a Saturday. So going to hit up the gym, do some back testing, which I'll run you guys through. And then, we'll just see what happens. So let's just get straight into it. Just chefed up some breakfast. We got 3 eggs, scrambled egg and ham. Got to get that protein in, you know how it is. So I'm gonna eat this, then I will see you on the way to the gym. Just made a little cappuccino, getting ready for the gym. About to hit legs. Can't lie, I haven't hit legs in about 2 weeks, so it's gonna be rough, but got to get it done, you know what I mean? One thing that actually pisses me off is I don't get road rage, but when other people get road rage over literally fucking nothing, like, how is that pissing you off? How is that actually pissing you off? There's people getting fucking bombed right now and you're getting pissed off because I fucking turned in front of you and you had so much. Sorry. This is basically part of like my pre-gym pump. I don't get road rage, but I get rage at the people who road rage for nothing. Control yourself, you know what I mean? Maybe I'm just too, I'm just so good at controlling myself because I'm just such an elite trainer. I'm gonna stop that, but just pulling up to the gym now. I'm gonna stretch and then smash some legs. Come on. Alright, bye. Finished up at the gym, my legs are done. I actually don't know how I'm gonna drive back, but go back and I will see you on the charts for some back testing. So let's get into the back testing. Currently what I've been doing is back testing 2024 price action for euro dollar. We are currently up to July, near the end of July. One thing to note is that the summer months for trading are usually, quite low probability, and there's not that many opportunities because the volume's lower, people on holiday, institutions not pumping through as much. So let's get straight into it. On the daily time frame, the swing structure is bearish. However, just looking at this, you can see that we've basically been range bound since the start of the year back in December. So what I'm doing is focusing more on the immediate price action and sort of paying less importance to structure because we're in sort of a more range bound environment. So viewing this as a range, we've come up to the top of the range, okay, and we've had a change of character here, okay, so this could signal the start of a potential pullback. So on the daily, we are now within this sort of demand zone. So, because it's a demand zone, we can expect to see some bullish pressure from here. But, we are in a bit of a mixed environment because we have pulled up to the top of the range, we've changed of character to the downside. So we could now start to see this rotation to the bottom of the range. So I'm going to just be weighing more importance on, the 4 hour and the 15 minute because it could go both ways. Okay, on the 4 hour, swing structure is bullish. Internal structure was bullish, but then we eventually had this shift in internal structure signifying the start of this potential swing pullback. Now, we have reacted from this daily demand, okay? We've reacted from it. and we've had a change in character here, giving us a fresh demand zone. So what's that showing? That's showing that this daily demand is being respected, it's holded, and it's created a fresh zone. So we can look on the 15-minute for longs from this zone, okay, to potentially play this pullback before we then head lower, okay? That's sort of my main idea. Now, drop down to the 15-minute. This is where I do most of my analysis. And yeah, this is my sort of main time frame. So we've got a large swing range on the 15-minute, okay? So this is our most recent swing high. It led to the break of this swing low. Internal structure has just been remaining bearish. However, now we have had this internal break of structure to the upside, okay, signifying the start of this swing pullback. So it's currently about 145. The idea is to look for price to pull down into discounted levels and then look for longs up here to, you know, continue playing this swing pullback. Of course, you know, we can just reverse from here. That is totally possible, but it's just all about probabilities at the end of the day. So let's see what happens. I'm going to draw on the 0.618 as this is like a nice sort of zone for us to pull back into to look for longs. Okay, well, session's about over for me now, so I'm going to wait until about 6:45 before session opens. Okay, let's just fast it forward. Okay, so it's now about 6:45. Okay, we've pulled back into discounted levels and we've started pushing up just pre-session. However, immediately I'm noticing all these sort of corrective ascending lows here, so I'm not really too interested to jump straight in. Okay, as you can see, these lows just got swept. Now I need to sort of see a bit more of a shift in structure to look to get involved in longs. Okay, clear bullish momentum stepping into the market. We swept all this liquidity, okay. We've got a fresh demand zone here, which swept the liquidity, led to a change of character. So I can look for longs from this zone, okay. Okay. Right. So we've tapped into this demand. And okay, let's drop to a lower time frame. So we've tapped into this demand. On the 5-minute, we've had a change of character. So to be honest, I'm happy to take a long here if we pull back into the 618 retracement. The fuck. Wouldn't let me wouldn't let me select the tool there. So yeah, what I'm looking at is for price to pull back to this 618 retracement, and I'm happy to accept the risk and take a long here. Target 2R just above these highs here. So yeah, let's see what happens. Limit order. Okay. Okay, tagged in. Stopped out. Okay, no worries. Let's reassess. I mean, looking at this, it's still valid for me to look for longs from this demand, because essentially we've come into this higher time frame demand, this daily demand. We've shifted structure bullish. We've pulled back into the discount of the internal range, swept liquidity, pushed up heavily, leaving these sort of descending highs here, liquidity. I'm happy to take another entry from this zone. And in fact, there's a nice 5-minute entry here, because we've come back, tapped into the zone, had a change of structure, okay, this change of character here, generating sell side liquidity below this low. So we can look to take a long from here. And I'll target $3.3R. I'm happy to accept that risk. So yeah, let's see what happens here. Okay, not tagged in. Okay, target about 3R, just up to pass this high. Okay, so let's see what happens. Okay, tagged in. Nice. Okay. Well, I guess it was a bit less than what it was meant to be. Yeah. So a nice 3R trade there. And that's basically the end of sessions. Guys, that is the end of the day in the life. I'm currently getting ready to go out, see the boys. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, subscribe. More videos coming out soon. See ya.